How to remove someone from your Life360 circle. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can remove someone from your Life360 circle, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove someone from your Life360 circle, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch the Life360 application here. Once you launch the Life360 app, by default you're going to be on the home page like this, where what you need to do is just tap the gear icon that you can find from the top left, then just go to this option called circle management. Once you tap on circle management, what you need to do is just go to this option known as delete circle members and then just tap on it. Once you tap on delete circle members, you'll be able to see all of the circle members here. Just select a specific circle member in this case, then tap on the delete button right next to their name at the top right hand side, and that way you'll be able to remove someone from your Life360 circle. This way you can remove someone from Life360 circle. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.